Fred the flashlight fish and the Holiday Inn bus up to your right, where he is just as much in a hurry, where he thinks honking and flashing will make the traffic magically disappear from his flash spell. In such a rush to fetch their flashlight fish mates. This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.